Something that differentiates the FarmBot Genesis kit from our lower cost FarmBot Express kits are the rotary encoders. So when the FarmBot tells these motors to move and it sends electrical signals to the motor is going to rotate, and if everything's going well, the FarmBot will move. But let's say a plant has grown over the tracks and is preventing the FarmBot from moving along the x-axis. The motor is probably going to stall, meaning it's going to try to move, but it won't be able to. The rotary encoder is a sensor that keeps track of how much the motor has actually rotated. And if the motor is attempting to move but is unable to, the rotary encoder will detect that and send a signal back to the FarmBot and say, hey, something's wrong here. And that allows FarmBot to then retry the movement if you'd like it to, or send an error message, or just keep track of its position so that the FarmBot can continue doing other things without completely getting lost of where it is in the garden. The rotary encoder is constantly tracking all of the motor positions so that you can even move your FarmBot by hand and the FarmBot will still know where it's at. So the Genesis line affords the most reliable movements of any of our FarmBot kits because of these rotary encoders.